Good morning, everybody. Time is 8:30 and I start my journey right now. So yeah, little bit sketchy part of the road with some off-roading. So yeah, now I'm heading to Tallinn-Pärnu highway, and I'm gonna go straight to the Pärnu. There I have a little break, and I think then we can talk more. For now, it's a little bit raining, but it's okay. A little bit drifty. Grounds after the rains are pretty soft, so off-roading in the first part of my journey will be pretty interesting. Here's my first stop near the Pärnu. I'm a little bit away from the Pärnu, around 10 kilometers, but I already changed my boots because mine are totally wet. You can see that. To avoid that, I made some tuning. I secured the bags with the tape to my legs. Welcome to the Pärnu! So yeah, I'm gonna make stop soon to charge my batteries. I have 60 volt on my battery and I traveled around 60-70 kilometers. So we're gonna check it when I arrive to some power socket. No sockets in here, so we're gonna continue our route. We reached our first stop. I'm currently at Oulu. It's already pretty near to the Latvian border, and I have traveled 80 kilometers and I spent something like a third of the battery. Pretty much right range with the estimated. Now I'm gonna make myself coffee. So first time using this kit. Let's check it out. This is MSR brand. I don't know how good or bad it is, but it was around 100 euros whole kit. For gas I'm using a Primus one. This one what they had in the shop at the moment. I'm folding those legs. This needs to stay nice and stable on the ground. So 700 milliliters of water inside of here. Main thing with this kit, not to forget to remove the plastic lid, otherwise you can melt it. Water started to boil, also drying my gloves from the fire, using as well as a protection from the wind. So yeah, I'm picking this up. Here is everything ready for the coffee already. It's 3-in-1 one. Nice. Have some water left here. What I'm gonna do with it, I'm gonna save it up for the next time. So I will take this thing and fill it with the leftover water to keep it warm for a bit. It was really stupid idea to take cords with banjo straps in color like this, because I already lost this on these leaves. I just unpacked everything and I was searching for like 10 minutes for this freaking rope. So yeah, it was better to take those blue and red than those yellowish. So yeah, next time I will be a little bit smarter. So now I'm moving out. It's again raining. First day of my journey is full of freaking rains. But yeah, I was ready for that. So some 50 kilometers to Latvia. Woohoo! It's not raining anymore. Some beautiful views and dry road. What's interesting, because 10 minutes ago it was raining back there. So yeah, this road is almost empty, not too much from the cars, so it's pretty chill. Dude, I'm reaching Latvian border right now. So in front of me I see some lights. So Estonian flag, Latvian flag. So now we are crossing the border. Latvia. Yay! So now I'm in Latvia. Right here to this little shop. They gave me opportunity to charge my scooter. It's down there. Also, I got some free coffee from this place. This guy gave me a cup of coffee just for free. I offered him to pay with card, but he said, "Ah, no, doesn't matter, it's okay." Gave him my channel as well, so he can watch what I'm doing after our meet. So, moving out towards Riga. Problems with my freaking phone. It's already dead, but it doesn't want to charge while being on. So I cannot see the map. I cannot listen to the music. So struggling with it. I figured out that it works without the case better. So sometimes it charges, sometimes it's not. As you see, I have 3% of the power. coffee. Yeah, it's charging. So we'll see how long it gonna last. I traveled 150 kilometers already, and I believe it's a good time for lunch. So, as usually, preparing my kitchen. Remember, we saved this hot water. Still warm. Not that hot as it was before, but warm. Pouring in here. Taking our water. Fill it full so I can make food and coffee. Ooh. I lost my lighter. What? That is really bad if it is like that. Whew. No, got it. I just told you that my phone is working normally, but I decided to warm it up somehow to get it working again, because I wanted to start flying my drone, but it's again showing me this error, moisture in the USB and off. So I'm gonna show you that. And that's it. It's beeping and saying me, no, I don't want to work. Water is boiling again. So I opening this powder bag, filling a cup with it to get more coffee. More coffee. So water goes in here. Yeah. Feeling it full. Actually, when I'm riding, it's pretty sketchy to hold this cup full because it's gonna spill. Let's add some water in here as well. Never told you how I gonna be moving. Actually, I'm all the time when someone asks, struggling to answer. I still do not remember all the countries I'm gonna be in. Let's check it out together. So now I'm already in Latvia. Gonna build my base camp pretty soon. I need to reach Riga. Then somewhere around the Riga I'm gonna make my camp. So how I'm going to the site. I'm already in Latvia. One country is passed. I exited Estonia today. So tomorrow I will be in Lithuania. Then I'm going to Poland. After the Poland goes Slovakia. After Slovakia comes Hungary. Then Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, and from the Turkey I'm taking a ferry to Cyprus. It's pretty interesting how much time and how much mileage I need to do to reach there, but we're gonna find out. Map says that it's 3,400 kilometers. I'm already done 10% of my journey today. Wow. If everything turns out great, maybe I can do it in 10 days as well. I guess. Oh, water started to boil. I'm gonna move out now. I will finish my food, have a little bit of my coffee, and then see you in Riga.